What's up, everybody? It's Dan over at Canyon Adventure Vans. Just gonna be doing a quick how-to with the stop-stay strut system. So what I've done is just kind of like loosely mounted everything. So initially, if you're trying to take it off your bracket, you have the plastic end piece. The red tab will be slid down. Slide that all the way forward, and then you'll be able to slide that just right off. No big deal. And then what you're gonna do is just simply unscrew. Set that off to the side. We'll unscrew the other side. Open up the little bag that'll come in your order. And you should have 4 replacement end caps. So basically, on these, you have a little C-ring, C-clamp kind of thing. Pop that off the neck. It's got a tail that you'll just slide out. Grab your bracket, snap this back on, and listen for the snap. Grab your little C-ring again, slide it back through, and this is gonna lock it onto that male end on the bracket. Totally secure. And then just screw that new strut on. You're all good. That's it. That's how to swap out the end caps for the stop-stay strut system that we offer. Thanks, everybody.